Welcome to the future of farming. Today, we're embarking on a journey through groundbreaking innovations set to transform agriculture. As we stand at the crossroads of tradition and technology, the challenges of conventional farming demand new solutions. Enter automated tractors and drone technology, tools that promise to redefine land cultivation. Imagine a world where precision and efficiency are realities, achieved through cutting-edge machinery designed with sustainability in mind. These advancements are essential to meet the growing demands of our global population while preserving the earth for future generations. Join us as we explore these remarkable innovations, paving the way for a new dawn in agriculture. This is not just an evolution, it's a revolution in the fields. Let's delve into the world of automated tractors, where innovation meets efficiency. Imagine a machine that moves with precision, guided by AI-powered navigation systems. These tractors are about doing the job smarter and more sustainably. With fuel-efficient designs, they reduce emissions and cut fuel costs, benefiting both the environment and the farmer's wallet. But innovation doesn't stop there. Equipped with smart sensors, these tractors can be remotely controlled, offering farmers unprecedented flexibility over their operations. Picture managing your fields from home, with real-time data at your fingertips. This isn't just a glimpse into the future, it's the reality of modern farming. Automated tractors represent a significant leap in agricultural technology, blending cutting-edge tech with practical needs, ensuring every inch of the field is utilized fully. By embracing these advancements, farmers enhance productivity and pave the way for a more sustainable agricultural landscape. Stay with us as we explore more groundbreaking technologies transforming farming. Next, we'll take to the skies with drone technology, reshaping crop management and monitoring. The future of farming is here, and it's more exciting than ever. Now, let's explore the advancements in drone technology, a vital tool in the modern farmer's arsenal. These drones are not just flying cameras, they offer a new perspective on crop management. With improved durability and extended battery life, they cover vast fields with ease. Imagine the efficiency gained from a single drone flight. These marvels monitor crop health, detect issues early, and perform precise spraying operations, saving time and reducing manual labor, allowing farmers to focus on other critical aspects of their operations. The integration of advanced sensors and AI-driven analytics means data collected by these drones becomes actionable insights. Farmers can make informed decisions, optimizing resource use and improving yield outcomes. As we move towards a more sustainable future, drone technology plays a pivotal role. By minimizing environmental impact through targeted interventions, these devices help conserve resources and reduce waste. It's a win-win for productivity and the planet. In this era of rapid change, drones stand out as a testament to innovation in agriculture. They exemplify how technology can enhance efficiency, precision, and sustainability. Stay tuned as we uncover more groundbreaking advancements in agricultural machinery. As we reach the heart of our journey, it's clear these advancements are not just innovations, they're essential evolutions. The integration of AI into agricultural machinery reshapes the landscape, offering precision and efficiency previously unimaginable. Eco-friendly designs reduce our carbon footprint and set new standards for sustainable farming. These machines are more than tools, they are solutions to pressing challenges, from resource management to productivity enhancement. By addressing these issues head-on, they pave the way for a future where agriculture is sustainable and thriving. These advancements testify to technology's potential to transform our world, ensuring the fields of tomorrow are greener, more efficient, and resilient. The future of farming, powered by these innovations, is indeed promising. As we conclude our journey through these innovations, it's clear the future of farming is not just on the horizon, it's here. These technological marvels, from automated tractors to advanced drone systems, revolutionize agriculture. They promise a future where farming is more efficient, productive, sustainable, and exciting. We stand at the threshold of a new era in agriculture, where embracing these innovations leads to a more prosperous and resilient future. Imagine fields tended with precision, resources conserved, and yields maximized, all thanks to these advancements. We invite you to join us in this exciting venture. Let's harness technology to cultivate a brighter future for our farms and our planet. Stay tuned for more innovations and keep exploring the limitless possibilities of modern agriculture. Together, we can make this vision a reality. Thank you for watching, and until next time, let's keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible in farming.